No, no, stop!
Lean, Scram! Get out of there!
Peter, no! I'm gonna put this in there.
Don't do that!
You think this is a bad idea?
Yes, it's a bad idea!
I'm getting mixed signals. Yes or no?
A definite no!
I can't see your mouth through the gate.
No, 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 no!
I think you said yes.
No!
I'm going with yes.
No, no, Peter!
What? Oh no.
No! Peter! No!
Oh.
Rabbit, I'm gonna put you in a pie,
Leave the jacket!
like I did your dad.
Morning, Mr. McGregor.
Oh, it's you.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Give me that rabbit.
You got a little something in your...
Are you okay? Did he just wink? I didn't even know we could do that.
You look very well. That vein that's usually bulging out of your head's really calmed down. Have you been meditating?
This is my garden.
Let me pass that along. This is his garden. There we are. I think we're all on the same page, so these rabbits will now surrender their natural instinct to feed themselves.
Next time, will be their last.
I'll be sure to pass that along too.
This is Bee. She's next door neighbour to Mr. McGregor and the rabbits. Guess which one she likes better?
Inside, come on, I'll get you something to drink. You must stop going in there. You almost got caught this time. Come here, little one. Try you off.
She's an artist. She moved out to the country to work on her paintings. Oh, don't feel bad if you don't understand them, like them, even know which way to look at them. They are terrible, and she knows it. So for fun, she's been painting portraits of the locals. But a constant reminder of what Peter and his family had gone through.
I promise I'll always be here for you.
Sorry about Dad's jacket. I'm sorry you lost Dad's jacket.
Okay, just promise me you'll stay after the garden.
Got it back, Dad.
Got you, rabbit. I knew you'd come. The lady's not here to protect you now.